Jai Gurudev, welcome to Om Shri Tara. Today we're going to discuss about Reiki. What is Reiki? How it can help you in your life? A lot of times we have a goal and ambition, but then to reach that goal, to reach our ambition, there's be a lot of obstacles and hurdles in our life. We put 100% of our hard work, but then the results are very low or 0% result. So, in that case, we lose our confidence, we lose trust on us, and then the life is very mediocre, right? And we'll be facing so many ups and downs in our life. So, Reiki is an energy. That Reiki energy resides within us. So, it is with us since we are in our mom's womb. This energy is always in a sleeping mode until you get activated, until somebody activates it. So, this Reiki energy is a very, very powerful energy that helps us clear our aura. So, what is aura? Aura is a unseen light that is a protective shield that's around us. This aura protects us from negative entities, negative energies, evil eye, or jealousy that is going to affect us. A lot of times, when you go to a party or a wedding gathering, we have heard mums and grannies say that the children goes to a party or a wedding the same day night or the next day they fall sick because people have casted eye on them. So, lot of times people will take the drishti out or nazar utarna. So all these rituals from the occult practices. So this aura is a protective shield that's around our body. Usually this is 6 inches from our body. And this is a protective shield. So when there is a breakage in this protective shield, these negative entities can easily enter into that shield and then hurt us. So that's when you fall sick, you have a confusion in your decision making, and there is procrastination in your efforts, and then you can easily lose confidence in yourself. And wherever you go, there'll be some projects or some job interviews or some business proposal this close to get closed or completed, and for some reason it gets deviated, and then you don't get the job that you desired for, or you don't get the business proposal that you've been working so hard for so many days, and this you will end up with a disheartened soul, you will be so disheartened. So Reiki energy, when you keep practicing Reiki, and if you incorporate Reiki in your life, it helps you keep your chakra aligned. And also, it cleanses your aura and keeps your aura protective and activated and bright and charismatic. So, you yourself will become very charismatic and magnetic in pulling in positive energy and positive things in your life. Also, it pushes away like cobwebs in your life. In achieving your goals, it pushes away any hurdles or any blockages in your life, and then your journey towards your goal will be very easy. So it is like this: when you drive a car and there is a mist or a fog, and then there is no vision when you drive a car, and all of a sudden this mist just moves away and your path is very clear. A lot of times, even for us, it's like a mist fog around our eyes, and sometimes we are so confused in making decision making and how you go about in your life. Sometimes we doubt ourselves. Am I doing the right way? Am I in the right track? Or did I choose the right path in my career? Lot of times people even ask, did I choose the right life partner? So all these confusions will be removed, and you'll have a clear vision of what you want and how you're going to achieve it, and your path will be very clear. It's like when you're stuck on a traffic jam and somebody goes in front of you and says, hey, just move, clear your path, and then the journey, the drive is going to be very smooth. And that's how your life is going to be. When you practice or incorporate Reiki in your life, it gives you an immense amount of confidence. Your life will be a 180-degree change. And then you'll have a special connection with the deities that you've been praying through, or your Ishta Devata. You will be going to the temple so often in your life, maybe weekly, twice or thrice, and it could be a temple near your house. And then when you practice Reiki, you'll have a different connection with that, because you will be working with the universal energy. So people will be drawn towards you. And if your aura is so good and active and charismatic, people will tend to start feeling the pull towards you. And naturally, when people trust you and give you a job, we're gonna work towards earning the trust, right? And it'll get you desired vision or desired goals to reach. So Reiki can change your life in a very positive manner, and you will have a super confident, because there'll be an energy around you, an activated energy around you, that gives you so much happiness, so much confidence, and you know you can achieve it. You have that power within you. All we need to do is just give a tap and say, hey, let's get on to work. And that's all Reiki does. And for this you don't need to get up in the morning, early morning, before the sunrise, and do a focus on a meditation. Nothing. You can just practice Reiki when you're a passenger in the car, or when you just watch some happy movie, or if you can have some fun and talking, laughing, and then you can just keep energizing your chakras. That's all it takes. And to make your life better, to make your life positive, happier, healthier, the one best way is Reiki. And then one of my guru always says, every single person in this world should know Reiki, so that they can take care of themselves and achieve what they want in their life. So Reiki is for all. There is no bar, there is no caste, creed, there is no religion. Reiki is not religion based. Reiki is for everybody. It is an energy, and everybody is eligible to have it. So as you practice Reiki in your life, you can change things to your convenience, to your good things. And when you learn Reiki, all the negativities, even within you, even the slightest negativity within you, will get pushed away. So, Reiki is for us. Reiki is in the universe. The energy is in the universe. Reiki is within us. And it is up to us whether to get activated and lead a happy, peaceful, loving, and desired life, or just be as we are now. So, Reiki is for everybody. Try Reiki and lead a happy life.